In this tutorial, you'll learn how to connect an MCB miniature circuit breaker to two gang two-way switches controlling two bulbs. This setup is ideal for controlling lights from two different locations, such as in hallways or large rooms. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring a safe and efficient installation. Safety first. Turn off the main power to avoid any electrical shock. Use insulated tools to prevent electrical accidents. Double-check connections before turning the power back on. Step 1. Prepare the switches, bulbs, and MCB. Mount the MCB in your distribution box. Mount the two gang two-way switches in their designated positions. Install the bulbs in their sockets. Step 2. Installing the MCB. Connect the incoming live wire from the main power supply to the input terminal of the MCB. Step 3. Wiring the two gang two-way switches. Each two gang two-way switch has three terminals: common, C, L1, and L2. Connect the live wire from the MCB to the common, C, terminal of the first switch. Run a wire from L1 of the first switch to L1 of the second switch. Run a wire from L2 of the first switch to L2 of the second switch. Repeat the connection for the other switch also. Connect the common, C, terminal of the second switch to the first bulb's live terminal. Connect the other common, C, terminal of the second switch to the second bulb's live terminal. Step 4. Wiring the bulbs. Connect the neutral wire from the main supply to the neutral input of MCB. Connect the other end of the first bulb to the neutral output of the MCB. Connect the second bulb to the same neutral wire. Step 5. Final connections. Ensure all neutral wires from the bulbs are connected to the neutral busbar. Ground the bulbs if they have ground terminals by connecting to the ground busbar. Step 6. Testing. Turn on the MCB and restore the main power. Test the switches to ensure they control the bulbs correctly. When switch 1 is flipped, it should toggle the state of bulb 1. When switch 2 is flipped, it should toggle the state of bulb 2. Tips. Label the wires for easy identification. Double-check all connections before powering up. If you're unsure at any point, consult a qualified electrician. This setup allows two-way control of each bulb independently, giving you the flexibility to operate each bulb from two different locations.